Hey everybody, I am here. I've got like no makeup on. I've been on the computer all day. I don't even have my tripod set up. I don't even have my old tray 11s in yet, but I'm going to be moving today to tray 12. Yay! So with this 12, 13, 14, 15, I have 4 trays left and that's it. So I am totally excited. My top teeth, which I will show you right here, they are just ridiculously straight. And here's the other new one. This is my new bottom one. Check that out. So if you look right there, that's just a little bit, so it will be my lower tooth here. Just a little bit more work that needs to be done. This side is just like totally straight. Nothing really has been happening with tray 11. It's been really great. I've had like no pain. The bottoms have actually started to get a little bit looser because of the fact that they are just mostly straight here. I'm just gonna throw these in. I have a bunch of editing that I have to do, so I'm gonna get back to that. So I'll do the top ones first. Okay, those are again, right at the tops. It's on the inside, sorry. And just right there, they're pushing out sort of right on my front molars. So that's pretty normal. I can tell I'm gonna need to get them seated a little bit, so I have a chewy for that. All right, let's try the bottoms and see if those are going to be any tighter. Oh, that looks so nice. Okay, so it's gonna take them probably like another 20 minutes to seat. I have not made a video yet for the ortho vibration tool. It's just been, oh my God, it's just been nuts. So I will try to get that video up this week. And then I also have a sanitizing unit that I bought that has been working really well. So I wanna share with you, as I promised 2 weeks ago that I would share. But I think everything else is going great. So please excuse the mess. So I hope that you are doing well and that the time change is not getting to you like it's getting to me. And I will see you at a minimum in 2 weeks, and hopefully I'll have one of those 2 videos that I promised. Hopefully my work will settle down a little bit and I'll be able to get those to you. So anyway, happy chewing, and I will see you soon.